How's it going? In this video, I'm installing Citrix Workspace application through command line. I've already installed the installation file, which I've saved in this PC, in my laptop, the C drive, and upgraded inside C drive. I upgraded a folder called Taste. I've saved it in there. As I said, I'm doing it through command line. I'm just gonna open up the CMD command prompt. Make sure you run it as an administrator. Just right click on here and run as administrator. There we go. Make sure you install the correct installation file. You can download it from the web browser, or I'll leave the link in the description. You can use the same thing. Yep. I'm just gonna copy the. So we're just gonna change the directory to paste file so we can navigate to this installer. So for that, let's just double click on in here and copy this path. Control A, Control C, and let's get back to our command prompt. So CD and just Control B, paste, and there you go. We are in there. We can check if we are in correct directory or not. Just type dir. So there you go. In that folder, I just got this file. I mean, installing whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna copy it. Just copy it, copy and paste, and install. Quit. I don't want to restart the machine. I mean my laptop. So no restart. And hit enter. It'll do the magic in the background. Let's say yep. There you go. It's doing something. There we go. And there we go. Let's continue. Follow the command prompt. I agree. Continue. You can select one of these if you want to add some add-ons. I just don't want to do anything, so I'll just install it without. So it's installing now. It might take a bit time, about like 5 to 10 minutes. The video gonna be so long, so I'll say I'm just gonna pause it for now. I'll come back whenever the installation is successful.